Meaning of doll.
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 Doll. Doll is typically used to refer to a small toy figure or plaything, often resembling a human or animal. These toys are usually made of various materials, including plastic, cloth, wood, or porcelain. Dolls can be used for play, decoration, or collection and have been a popular pastime for centuries. Some dolls are designed to be interactive and may have movable parts, such as arms and legs. Many cultures have their own unique styles of dolls that showcase their local traditions and customs. Overall, dolls offer a fun and imaginative outlet for both children and adults alike.